Hi, it's Denise here. Denise with howtostayfitover50.com. Before we get into it today, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. I had a couple internet issues last week, so I did not get last week's video up, so we have two this week. So today the topic is how menopause changes your body and what can you do about it. You know, it's menopause, the word alone can make even the strongest woman among us go, "Ugh." Menopause literally means ceasing menses, stopping your period. No more periods about it. But what about what it does to our bodies? As I was slouching, I just caught myself slouching. But what does it do to our bodies? Well, some of us very lucky women seem to be able to just roll through menopause, but even those lucky women will complain about some changes in their bodies. Other of us, this girl right here, seem to have more, not serious, because they're not serious, more frustrating changes to our bodies. How does that sound? Does frustrating sound like a good word? For me, the issue's all been in my stomach. Just in my stomach. Now, y'all know I had a hysterectomy, so if those that are just new here, I did have a hysterectomy 5 years ago. So they cut my abs. So it's always been difficult for me, but I'm a fitness instructor. I do yoga. I do Pilates. Pilates is helping, seeming to strengthening my core. It's very important that you strengthen your core. But I'm just struggling with my midsection. And that's what seems to happen with a lot of women. And the problem seems to be when it's a lack of estrogen. So for me, my ovaries were removed. Because of the hysterectomy. But even if you didn't have a hysterectomy and you're going through menopause, your estrogen production is decreasing significantly. And if you think you're having a more difficult time losing weight, you probably are. It's not as easy as it might have been when we were in our 20s, 30s, even our 40s. So in addition to that, because of the reduced estrogen production, you may find that you have an increase in your appetite. You may find that you're holding fat in certain areas, midsection for me. You may find that you're having trouble sleeping at night, me. So, and we have so much information about it, so why are we losing the battle? Why is it so flippin' hard for us to just gracefully move into menopause in this time in our lives where, we don't have to worry about having a period. We don't have to worry about going and buying the maxi pads or the tampons and making sure we're always ready. It's definitely a battle, but it's a battle that we can get in front of if we work it, do a few things. So I'm going to give you a couple simple things that you can do. And I always want you to focus on feeling good in the skin you're in, okay? I am strong as shit, okay? I can heave a 50-pound bag of horse feed, walk it out to the back pastures, and feed my horses, okay? It's not all about what you look. I've seen skinny people that are the most unhealthy people that I've seen in my life. So focus on feeling good in the skin you're in right now. So first, breathe, okay? It's a transition. Menopause is we're moving into another stage in our lives. As women, we go through very many stages. Think about it. Starting our periods, pregnancy, childbirth, and it goes on and on and on. So first of all, breathe. You made it through the other stuff, you'll make it through this too. Secondly, get up and get moving. I can't tell you how important it is that you get up and get moving. I am so grateful that I teach the amount of classes that I do. Not only do I teach here, as you can see, I'm in the gym, I also have private clients that I teach at home and I do Zoom with online to get them moving. That's the best thing you can do. I promise you, just doing something as simple as exercising 3 times a week will make a huge difference, not only in how you feel physically, but mentally as well. Strength training, you've got to pick up those weights. You have to pick up the weights. These are 12 pounds. 12 pounds. I started out at 5s, moved up to 6s. This was years ago. Moved up to 6s, moved up to 7s, 8s, 10s, and now 12s. And my goal is to be lifting 15s probably within the next month or so. As women, we need to work harder to maintain muscle in our bodies. And muscle helps with metabolism. You see the connection? Get those weights, pick them up. You don't have weights, body weight. Watch what you eat. This one's always harder than it sounds, right? Oh, just watch what you put in your mouth. Well, I have tried eating every 3 hours, as I tell you to do, gain weight. I have tried not eating, gain weight. So right now what seems to be working for me at this moment in time is like a paleo vegetarian type of program. So I eat protein and natural vegetables, natural carb sources such as vegetables and fruit. If it grows organically, it's okay to eat it. All right. I will eat shrimp and I will occasionally eat chicken, but for the most part, my body changed. It doesn't like beef and pork anymore, so I stay away from that. I listen to my body and I feed it what it likes to eat. I'm probably 85% vegetarian. All right. And sleep. One of the most important things you can do is make sure that you're giving the body your rest that it needs. Now, again, as I mentioned above, sleep is one of the issues. As we go through menopause, you may struggle with your sleeping patterns. So turn that TV off a couple, 30 minutes early. Give yourself time to unwind and relax, and get into bed 30 minutes earlier. I teach gentle flow yoga, and we do a guided meditation. Start the short version. Focus on relaxing your toes, your feet, your knees, your hips, your waist, your chest, all the way up, and consciously inhale and exhale. You'll see your body, you'll feel your body start to relax, and that'll help you ease into sleep. And think about it. Menopause isn't all bad. No more cramps. For me, that was a huge one. I wasn't one of those that had a serious problem with cramps, but it could make me very grumpy. So anyways, next video will be up shortly. Be sure that you subscribe. Make sure you visit my website, howtostayfitover50.com, and reach out to me anytime you need me, denisesanger@gmail.com. And I think that's it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.